Do you want to add Spotlight search in WordPress Dashboard? Spotlight is a powerful global quick navigation search feature for WordPress Dashboard. You can configure it to search any settings on your WordPress dashboard like pages, posts, comments, plugins, users, and many more options. In this video, we will show you how to add Spotlight search in WordPress Dashboard. So let's start the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Plugins. Click on the Add New button. Search here Swiss Toolkit for WP. Now you are thinking, why am I installing Swiss Toolkit to add Spotlight search? I am using the Swiss Toolkit plugin because this is a multifunctional plugin. For example, it has various options including Spotlight search, maximum upload size increase, Favicon upload, SVG image support, upload custom avatar, username change, post/page duplicate, WP admin login URL change, headers and footers inserter, passwordless temporary login, and user switching. With the Swiss Toolkit plugin, you can access additional features and Spotlight search effortlessly without the need for coding. We don't need to use a separate plugin for these features. If you want to know more details about the plugin, we have a separate video for it. Link in the description. Check it out. Then install and activate the plugin. Check the company name Boom Devs to confirm the plugin. After activating, install Pro add-ons. The plugin has a free version, but the free version doesn't have that many features. You don't need to stress after listening to that. It's a Pro version. Just watch the full video for a surprise. Enter your activation key here and activate Pro mode. Now we will see how we can customize the plugin. To do this, we need to go to WP Swiss Toolkit from WordPress. Click on Features. Find the Spotlight search option and turn it on. It will show you a new option. From here you can change the hotkey at your convenience. Hotkeys are set. Click the Save Changes button. See, it's working properly. Quickly access everything you need from one place. Save time and hassle with Spotlight search. There are huge discounts for those of you who want to buy the plugin after watching the video. Check the description and collect up to 30% discount coupons. If you want to know more details about the plugin, we have a separate video for it. Link in the description. Check it out. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding this issue, feel free to ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.